Welcome to Theme Radio, a quiet space for you to come back to yourself, wherever you are, whatever your mind has just gone through. Let us take a few moments to practice mindful breathing together. A simple but powerful technique to restore balance, calm, and clarity in your mind. Chair. Find your posture. Sit comfortably on a chair, meditation cushion, or on the floor. Keep your back straight, your shoulders relaxed, and your head gently lifted. Let your hands rest on your knees or in your lap. Eyes gently closed or softly gazing downward. Wind phase. Begin with a few deep breaths. Take a long, slow breath in through your nose. And exhale gently through your mouth. Repeat this 2 more times. Let your body relax. Let your thoughts settle. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Lungs. The breath, a bridge between body and mind. Now gently bring your attention to your breath. Breathing in. Know that you are breathing in. Breathing out. Know that you are breathing out. No need to change or control your breath. Just observe, like sitting next to an old friend. You may silently repeat in your mind. In, out, in, out. Nose. Feel your breath in the body. How do you know you're breathing? Maybe it's the rise and fall of your belly. The subtle movement in your chest. Or the cool air entering through your nostrils. And warm air leaving as you exhale. Find the spot where your breath feels the clearest, and gently rest your attention there. Tension there. No pressure, no forcing. Simply be with your breath. If you find it hard to feel, you can place a hand on your belly and notice how it moves up and down with each breath. Butterfly. Soft and present. Stay with your breath as gently as a butterfly landing on a flower. Don't hold it tightly, don't let it go, just be with it. Breathing in, breathing out, again and again. Pause button. The pause between There's a tiny pause between your inhale and your exhale. A silent moment, a still space. This is the doorway to deep presence, to stillness within. Thought balloon when the mind wanders. It's completely natural for the mind to wander. You might find yourself lost in a thought, a memory, a plan, a feeling. The moment you notice this, simply label it in your mind. Thinking. And gently return to your breath. No judgment, no frustration. Just return softly. Bullseye returning is the practice. Each time you come back to your breath, you are coming back to yourself. This is meditation. Not about being blank or perfectly focused, but about returning, again and again. Ending the session. Let's now take 3 conscious, deep breaths together. Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now, slowly open your eyes. Take a soft look around your space. Feel your body sitting here. Notice what's present inside. Pushpin, check in with your heart. How do you feel right now? Maybe peaceful and calm. Maybe unfocused or restless. Whatever you're feeling, acknowledge it. Welcome it with kindness. There's no right or wrong meditation, only honest ones. Person in lotus position practice daily. You can come back to this practice each morning as you wake. Each night before bed, or anytime you need a pause. Your breath is always there, just waiting for you to come home. Folded hands, thank you for practicing with Theme Radio. See you in the next